Have you ever thought that the factory stereo of your car could be turned into an Android system? Come on and try the PICASOU AI Adapter. SIM card slot, a micro SD card slot, high-performance chips, and fast storage technology make it run more smoothly. Humanized design of user interface make it easy to use and more efficiently. Watch video, listen to music, install app, and hands-free Bluetooth phone call. What's more, it provides wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. Wireless connection allows you to move around freely. PICASOU AI Adapter, always be with you along the way.